Click on the link below to get price. The Champion 12. 5 kilowatts home standby generator is a powerful and reliable solution for homeowners seeking peace of mind during power outages. Its robust design ensures that your home remains powered when the grid fails, making it an essential addition for those who prioritize safety and convenience. One of the standout features of this generator is its automatic transfer switch, rated at 100 amps, which allows for seamless integration with your home's electrical system. This means that when a power outage occurs, the generator kicks in within seconds, ensuring that essential appliances like refrigerators, HVAC systems, and lights remain operational. The automatic nature of the transfer switch alleviates the stress of manual setups during emergencies. The generator is fueled by liquid propane or natural gas, providing flexibility depending on your home's existing infrastructure. Its 12.5 kilowatts output is sufficient for most households, ensuring that you can run multiple appliances simultaneously without any worry. The engine is surprisingly quiet for its size, operating at a noise level that is manageable and won't disrupt your daily activities. Installation is straightforward, though it is recommended to hire a professional to ensure compliance with local codes and proper setup. Once installed, the Champion generator requires minimal maintenance, with a user-friendly control panel that provides clear information about the unit's status. Regular self-diagnostic tests keep the system in check, providing confidence that the generator will perform when needed. Additionally, Champion backs this generator with a generous warranty, which is indicative of their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Overall, the Champion 12.5 kilowatts home standby generator is an exceptional investment for homeowners looking to safeguard their families against unexpected power interruptions. Its reliability, ease of use, and powerful performance make it a top choice for anyone in the market for a standby generator.